Man, Alan, this looks like a workshop compared to everything else I've done so far.
I don't know. The roof's kind of caving in.
That's all right. This is an old shed. But whatever. I haven't seen other people make videos detailing how they did a roller coaster cart. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to detail that process.
So what are you going to put on the wheels to make them roll? You going to put something in it?
What do you mean?
Like a bolt? Is there a bolt that goes in them?
Well, no, it's a wheel. It's going to wheel anywhere.
Yeah, no, what are you going to attach to the area inside?
But pretty much. There we go. It's going to go like this. You want to have a washer on that side. It's just going to spin on the track. And these are thick wheels, so the coefficient of friction should be a lot less. So that means they should go on the track, and with the cart and whatnot, it should, in theory, if physics is right, wheel across the cart or the tracks for a long time. That's the plan. So I'm going to build the first 3 of them first, and then on the camera, we're going to show how we build the final 4th one. But actually, no, it's a bad idea, because the back wheels are going to be different from the front wheels. So for the front wheels, we'll make the first one, and then we'll show the camera the second one, and then 3rd and 4th one, because the back half of the cart's going to be static, so that means it's not going to move. But the front half will move on the 3 different axes. Yaw, pitch, roll, and whatnot. Make sense?
It will when we get started.
So that didn't make sense at all with what I just said. I just threw terms together that sounded smart. But they're all right. Yeah, because you got yaw, pitch, and roll, the 3 forces that act upon stuff when in motion. For the most part, at least for roller coasters or airplanes or even boats, but whatever. Okay, so I want to use these guys right here for the wheels for the front. And this will bend, but this will be for reinforcement. And these guys up here are going to be for the frame of the track in the back. These will be the front. These will be the back. All right, cool. I have ideas in my head. We're going to do them. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little bar right here. Try to make it long enough to where we can put both wheels on it without them interfering with each other. And then a little bit more so we have a bar in the middle to connect to the top. So something like that. So this guy is 6 inches. We'll make 4 6-inch bars. That way we can have it go on one side and the other side if we want for. A little bit over 6 inches. It's 6 1/8. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. Ah, crap, we blew a circuit breaker. Flip the circuit breaker. This should work now. Alright. Let's measure all of them, double check them. Gonna measure them all. 6 1/8. 6 1/8. 6 1/8. 6 1/8. Cool. All right, so pretty much they're gonna go like this in between the wheels, and they're gonna go on the track like that. We're gonna grind this stuff away, get all the burr off of it and everything. So what I'm trying to do is get some scrap wood. That way I can put one on each side and just clamp it together with this guy here.
And then you're just gonna drill through all 4?
Yeah, that's probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it. They're all lined up. Slight movement here, but I'm not too worried about it. So it's clamped in. We can start going. This up higher. Good. I'm gonna get my gloves. So this is just the pilot hole one. Don't really have smaller drill bits.
Where's the holes?
Huh?
Where's the holes?
So it's this one right here that goes off in that direction.
Oh.
Table in the middle. And then because it's metal, you want to go slow, not too fast. So I'm not going to slam it down. I'm barely pressing on it. All right, they look about the same for all sides, so that's good. You want to try pressing it down?
Sure.
You don't do much force at all. Good. And here's when I say good. Because you got through the last one. So the blocks of wood are stopping it from going all the way down, which is fine. Because we have a hole. You just let it center itself by pressing the drill down. And you're good. Not too hard, right?
Yeah.
Now we get the big drill bit for the 5/16 bolts. We're gonna make them all bigger. Think you can do that one?
Just go through each one, making it bigger?
Yep.
I think I can do that, yeah.
You don't want to press down too hard because otherwise you'll bend the metal on the inside and you'll make it pop out right here. This is easy to clean up. This is just burr. We'll take it over to the grinder right there and grind it off.
Okay.
So think you could do it 16 more times, 15 more times?
Yeah.
All right. Have at it. I'll design the rest of the stuff.
Okay. Which one do I switch?
Huh?
Which one do I switch?
The first one right here is the switch for it. So loosely hold it, bring it down, make sure it's flat, and it can center itself. And once it's centered, you hold it tighter with your hand up there, and you bring it down there. If you don't want to do it right there, you can also do it right here. You hold like that. All right, so by doing that and rubbing your hand across it with a glove, it doesn't get caught by any burrs. So that's how you know it's good. Because I wouldn't do that with my bare hand. Otherwise, it'll just slice your hand if there is a burr on it. But these are pretty good. So we don't make this too tight. We want to make the wheel still free spinning. Because I can just weld these together and call it good. So there's a little bit of play on it. The wheels do move. Cool. So that's how it looks. So now you gotta get the track and see how to place the second wheels because I want them to go like that. But I don't know how far that is. So we'll find that out right now. It's hand tight. A little bit of play. Oh. This is the front side. We're going to weld this side here. Give it a nice clean surface for the welds. We got this piece here. It looks horrible, so we're going to grind it down and make it look a little nice. Here are my welds. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this thing is not going anywhere. All nice and clean now. So, get the wheels, the washer, pretty side down.
You want me to take it now?
Those metal. No. We're going to use the track as demonstration. So pretty side down, spacer, spacer, pretty side down, same thing. Not too bad. Oh, it barely fits with the welds. Cool. So what I'm going to do when this is finally done, like fully done, I'm going to make this so it's loose, like this, and then I'm going to weld these together. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting a bolt almost all the way down, but I'm not going to put it on there. And I'm going to get a second bolt. So there's a little bit of play. Like this one has a little bit less play, so we're going to get a second bolt. Slowly, painfully twist it on. So what this is going to do, it's going to lock that bolt in place so it doesn't move ever. At least that's the plan. So tighten it just a hair and then tighten it on. Because now it's going to move. But these, so it freely spins. Has a little bit of play. A little play, freely spins. But these bolts won't ever come out. I hope it's not. Track it. Let's check it. Oh, that works beautifully. All right. But yeah, see? So the blue wheels go in the middle and the red ones up top. That's why we did these screws on the side there at an angle. But yeah. So we just have to do that one more time for the other side and then make a static one on the back. What do you think?
Shouldn't be too hard.
Too bad, right? Oh, that's done.